Thank you so much for taking the time to enter your email on the previous page. My name is George Gillis Jr. I'm an affiliate marketer and I've been online more than 5 years or more and selling other people's products. Now, today I'm talking about a program that my mentor that I picked up found him and he implemented his program to me. He's an 8-figure earner. His name is David Sharp and he's with Legendary Marketer. So this program, I took action, I listened to the video and I got involved. I started implementing the step by step. They put in a few programs for me that automatically is going to help me make money. And what I wanted to do was that I wanted to implement this program. So I thank you so much today for being here with me, taking the time to enter your email address on the previous page. I just wanted to take about a minute of your time to introduce you to what I believe is the best way to finally start seeing some success online, because there's a good chance that if you ever thought about making money online or starting a side hustle, this might not be your first time. The truth is, like most people, you may have failed in the past. I completely understand. I've been there, I've done that. I know how it feels to struggle and don't get any results and can't put this together. First of all, unfortunately, that is part of the process. Second of all, it's probably not even your fault, because most of the information you get from places like YouTube and webinars is bad. And this is true because of gurus are giving you information that doesn't tell you the whole truth. I'm sure you've seen these before, where they'll paint an opportunity for you that looks fantastic, but then you get in and it's a lot harder than it looks. What's even worse is that a lot of times these scammers are teaching us how to do one thing, but they make all their money by selling the course to you. That's all they want to do. I too have been a victim of scammy webinars and false promises that nobody stands behind. And luckily, I found something different, something very different, something new that actually works. Listen, the key is high ticket affiliate marketing. You can make 6 to 7 figures if you implement this course and you implement this training to the T and follow the exact steps. That's why Legendary Marketer can be so crucial to your success. The opportunity that I'm sharing with you today was put together by a guy named Dave Sharp. That's Sharp, SHARP. If you click the button that's on this page, you are going to see a quick presentation so you can get more information. You will learn about his background and how he wants to share his 8-figure business model with you and me. Also, you will be clearly see what high ticket affiliate marketing is, the answer that you have been looking for a long time. Now, so with that being said, right now, go ahead, click the button and watch the presentation and see if this is the opportunity that you have been looking for. Remember, if by chance you want to live the dream life that you so desire and deserve, you have to take action. It's not going to be given to us. It's taking action right then. And the first step of taking action is to click the button below that's on this page. Go and watch the presentation from Dave. I think he is going to really open your eyes to the potentials of high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm excited for you, very excited for you. This is a hot opportunity that's helping countless men and women become successful online. Now is the best time to jump in on a board with us, because it's open. But I don't decide this to be up very long. But I don't decide just yet. The first step is to simply click on the button and watch the presentation so you can see for yourself if high ticket affiliate marketing is the right opportunity for you. And we hope that you gather this. We hope that you take action on this. And we hope that you follow the steps like I did, and to be able to get to where you need to be online, and you can make money and have success online. Listen to Dave Sharpe. Click the button below now and go get your action plan. It's all going to be a training on how to make money on the line. And we hope to see you on the inside. May you have a blessed day, and may God be on your side, including the pandemic times now.